up the sex in her. Then I can put you in. I can put you in. Up in her. Go up the sex in her. And I
Hey dolls, it's your girl Jazzy J. Welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'll be installing this gorgeous V-part wig from unicehair. So let's check out what's in my box. So of course you get your unit. And also Unice sends a lot of really cute freebies. Let's check out what's in my box. So today inside usually you'll get like some lashes, which I see here. Well, these are nice and full. So yes, you get some really sexy lashes, hair clips, which are much needed. You also get a wig cap, which I won't be using for this install. And it looks like a really nice head scarf. So the unit today will be a 14-inch body wave V-part. This has really loose body waves. I opted for 14 inches because it is super hot right now. So I wanted to get something really soft, really cute, and something that was going to be breathable for summer. Alright, so I got my natural hair sticking out on the side there. I opted to do a side part because that's the look that I like. My unit comes with 4 clips, 2 on the side and 1 in the back, and of course your adjustable strap to make your wig tight. So I have really thin, firm, baby soft hair, so I decided to leave a little bit more hair out so I can have really full coverage. But I'm not going to talk y'all heads off. I'm going to let you guys just sit back and enjoy this install, and then we'll see how your girl ended up at the end of the video.
Hey, she's in love with who I am. Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance. Now I hit the FBO with duffels in my hands. I did half a Zan, 13 hours till I land. Had me out like a light, like a light, like a light. Slept through the flight, knocked it for the night.
I just wanted to chime back in really quick. With these V-parts, sometimes you really have to just keep moving your wig around till you find a comfortable location. And honestly, I should have did some big fat braids underneath. That way my hair underneath was protected and I had an anchor to put the clips in. But I knew I wasn't going to keep this unit on but for a few hours, so I just opted to do a smooth back with a ponytail. But you definitely can do some cornrows to attach and it'll anchor a lot better. But I tightened mine pretty tight around the back, so I didn't have much issues with that.
She's in love with who I am. Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance. Now I hit the FBO with duffels in my hands. I did half a Zan, 13 hours till I land. Had me out like a light, 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 like a light. Yeah, that's the darkest girl, he's singing Jazzy, singing Christ. Yeah, he's taking that on my God, so you know this shit is life. Yeah, it's absolute. Yeah, I'm back with boom. It's like a rhyme. Going out like a Montana. Honey killers on their hands. Legacy, final, Macy, pockets full, Danny, selling ball, Johnny. Been on the macho like Randy. The chopper go out to for granted. This nigga pull up your bandit. Hooping killers understand it. I got broads in Atlanta. Twisted the thing in the family. Credit cards in the scammers. Hitting the licks in the body. Legacy, final, Macy, look like a family. Going out like a Montana. Honey killers on their hands. Legacy, final, Macy, Johnny. Pockets full, Danny, selling ball, candy. Been out the macho like Randy. The chopper go out to for
dancing on my fucking neck off like $4. Ain't no way that I be talking on that truck, don't make no sense. He $1 million nigga, but be posted in a big I feel like I'm Gucci man in 2006. All these diamonds dancing on my fucking neck off like $4. Ain't no way that I be talking on that truck, don't make no sense. He $1 million nigga, but be posted in a it make no sense, it make no sense, it make no sense, make no sense, make no sense, make no sense.
So right here, what I'm doing is I'm going to create some natural body waves to my own hair by taking the barrel and moving it up and down by sliding down, and it creates a natural body wave. So like I said, my own hair is fine, baby soft. So you're going to notice it just won't do right. It's just too fluffy. So I will have to go back in and use some of that jam to add a little weight to my own hair so it can sit down and blend in properly.
Cause I thought stop these niggas, do it for fun, don't take it personally, I'm surprised you call me after I said, skirt on niggas, skirt up on niggas, skirt down, you acting like we, was it more than just some more flick? I said farewell, you took it well, I miss, I won't cry, I spilled milk, give me a paper towel, give me another valve, give me another hour. I walk with you. Why you bother me when you know you don't want me? Why you bother me when you know you gotta want me? Why you hit me when you know better? Know you know better. Know you cool better. You do. Got me looking for you. I be looking for you. Got me looking forward to weekend. Sure, baby. Sure, baby. Sure, baby. Cause I thought stop these niggas, do it for fun, don't take it personally, I'm surprised you call me after I said, skirt on niggas, skirt up on niggas, skirt down, you acting like we, was it more than just some more flick? I said farewell, you took it well, I miss, I won't cry. Give me a paper towel, give me another valve, give me another hour or two. I walk with you. Why you bother me when you know you don't want me? Why you bother me when you know you gotta want me? Why you hit me when you know better? Know you know better. Know you cool better. You do. Got me looking for you. I be looking for you. Got me looking forward to weekend.
So at this moment, I had to readjust the wig because it was kind of painful. And like I said, you have to really like move it around until you find a comfortable position. But once you get it comfortable, then you can't even tell that you have a V-part wig on.
And I can push you in. I can push you in.